today I'm going to teach you on how to create a breaking button in your website. This means that maybe where you are, you're using a WordPress website, and your boss has requested you to create a button that will notify your users on a new thing that you have added in your website. This means you must add something like this, which is breaking, and you direct all the traffic on that by item that you have to add it in your website. I have created some few codes that we are going to use on this button, and these mainly are 99% is CSS. We are going to create our CSS and in our website. So to do this, let's start with working on customize it for a minute, and now we go direct to add CSS, and then you find that yours will be blank. I have added a few CSS heading in my website, and the next thing we're going to do, we're going to add a comment here. Comment that's saying blinking button, and then we close our comment. Then we go straight to our command. This is my command. We copy the way it is. Right and copy. And we paste all these document. Our CSS. Then we highlight this one and we copy it again. Place it here so that each of the time we can be able to know where a certain commands CSS starts, where it ends. So the next thing we are going to do is we are going to click on publish. Then we are going to change to go to on the menu, and this is the way. Then comes here, and we go to our dashboard. Then we come to our appearance, then to our menu. Then the menu that we're going to work on is on academic. We click here, and we are going to add something here. We are going to add a command here. We say soup and class. I've already copied it. We just click tab, and here it is. So if I start a bit good, so we are going to enable our menu, mega menu, and the next thing we are going to use 60% of mega menu width. Then the next thing we are going to do is to that building that we are going to add. It is on undergraduate. We click here. Then we are going to add a new program, of which I have copied from my command that I was working on, and that something that will be blinking, and this one will be a new program. We should have created a new program. And the next thing, to make our menu look a bit better, we're going to divide into two. And so we divide here by 2. And the reason of dividing this is because we have some menus in academic. Here in academic, suppose close this one. So in undergraduate, in academic, we have 2 sub menus or sub items. We have the first sub item is program. The second one is undergraduate. So it will be divided into 2. So there is one sub item on your right, and also another one on your right. One for program, and the second one is undergraduate. To save this, we click here save menu. Here it is. Then we come here and we open a new tab. Here you can see it is. So there is this one, academic. There is a new summary here, and we are going to direct our people to undergraduate, meaning the new product that we have created is on undergraduate. So I think you understood on how to create the blinking button in our WordPress using simple CSS. And I think we can end this video, and remember to share this video with your friends, and also comment and ask questions on your program that you would like help you to solve. So thank you.